Millions of full-time jobs will disappear by 2026. Not because people are becoming lazy, but because AI tools are becoming unstoppable. What's happening right now is not a prediction. It's already in motion. Entire job roles are being automated, departments are shrinking, and companies are quietly replacing humans with software behind the scenes. This shift isn't loud or dramatic, it's happening silently, one tool and one workflow at a time. Today, I'll show you 10 AI tools that are already replacing full-time jobs, and almost nobody is prepared for how fast this transformation is happening. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness. Let's start. 1. GPT-5, replacing writers, customer support, and analysts. GPT-5 isn't just writing text anymore. It's doing the work of entire departments at once. It can write long-form articles, handle customer support conversations, analyze complex data, create detailed reports, draft emails, proposals, and even build full business workflows from scratch. What once required multiple employees can now be done by a single AI system running non-stop. Companies are replacing writing and support teams with AI agents that work 24/7, never get tired, never ask for raises, and cost a fraction of human labor. The efficiency gap is simply too big to ignore. Jobs at risk: writers, support agents, junior analysts, admin assistants. By 2026, these roles will be drastically reduced across industries as businesses prioritize speed, scalability, and cost reduction. 2. Claude projects, replacing project managers and researchers. Claude can now manage entire projects on its own. It handles timelines, assigns tasks, researches topics, summarizes long reports, builds presentations, and coordinates workflows across teams. What once required meetings, follow-ups, and multiple layers of management can now be handled by a single AI system, faster, cleaner, and with fewer errors. This changes how organizations think about coordination and leadership. Jobs at risk: project coordinators, research assistants, interns, academic researchers. 3. Runway, Gen 3, replacing video editors and motion designers. Runway can generate full video scenes from text alone. It edits footage, adds motion graphics, handles green screens, transitions, and color grading automatically. What used to take hours, sometimes days, now takes minutes. This isn't just a productivity upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how video content is created and scaled. Jobs at risk: junior editors, short-form editors, social media creators, animators. 4. Midjourney plus Pixels, replacing graphic designers. These tools generate logos, posters, ads, product renders, social graphics, illustrations, and even full brand kits in seconds. They are faster, cheaper, and infinitely scalable, which is why freelancers and junior designers are being replaced at scale. Companies no longer wait days for revisions when AI can generate dozens of options instantly. Jobs at risk: graphic designers, illustrators, thumbnail creators, branding juniors. 5. Opus Clip, replacing short-form editors. Opus Clip automatically finds viral moments, adds captions, emojis, effects, resizes content and outputs Shorts, Reels, and TikToks without manual editing. The basic editor role is disappearing fast. If editing doesn't involve strategy or storytelling, AI is already doing it better. Jobs at risk: TikTok editors, Shorts editors, social media editors. 6. Make.com plus Zapier, replacing admin staff. These tools automate emails, data entry, CRM updates, scheduling, invoicing, and reporting. Entire admin teams are being replaced by automation workflows that run quietly in the background, handling tasks without breaks or errors. Jobs at risk: virtual assistants, office clerks, data entry workers. 7. Fleeky AI, replacing video producers and voice artists. Fleeky creates full videos using AI voiceovers, stock footage, motion graphics, subtitles, and B-roll automatically. What once required a scriptwriter, voice artist, editor, and producer can now be done by one tool. Production is no longer a team effort, it's a process. Jobs at risk: voiceover artists, video producers, editors. 8. 11 Labs, replacing narrators and audio engineers. 11 Labs generates realistic voices for audiobooks, explainers, characters, and commercials while cleaning audio automatically. One AI voice can now replace an entire audio department, delivering consistent quality at massive scale. Jobs at risk: narrators, podcast editors, audio engineers, call center agents. 9. Firefly's AI, replacing meeting assistants. Firefly's records meetings, summarizes discussions, assigns tasks, timestamps key moments, and organizes everything automatically. Companies no longer need human note-takers when AI can capture and structure information perfectly. Writer.com builds full marketing funnels, writes ads, emails, campaigns, brand messaging, and analyzes performance in real time. Agencies are downsizing quietly because AI is outperforming junior marketing teams at speed, consistency, and scale. 10. Writer.com, replacing marketing teams. Writer.com is not just another writing tool. It is an enterprise-level AI system designed to run entire marketing operations. It builds full marketing funnels, writes high-converting ads, creates email sequences, develops consistent brand messaging, and analyzes performance in real time across multiple channels. What makes Writer.com powerful is consistency. It follows brand guidelines perfectly, never gets tired, and produces content at a speed no human team can match. Agencies and companies are quietly downsizing because AI is outperforming junior marketing teams in speed, accuracy, scalability, and cost efficiency. Tasks that once required multiple roles, copywriting, SEO optimization, email marketing, and funnel strategy, can now be handled by a single AI system. Campaigns that took weeks to plan can now be created and tested in hours. Jobs at risk: copywriters, SEO writers, email marketers, junior strategists. These tools are not coming in the future. They are already here, and companies are replacing full-time employees at scale to stay competitive. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. Subscribe for more AI tools, automations, and future-proof skills. Welcome to Automation Rebellion.